Hey guys, Fish and Hunt here, back with another video. In today's video, there's no theme. Me and my friends just wanted to go hunting and I filmed it. I'm using the Gamo Accu Whisperer. Ignore the paint job. I'll explain that in a later video. But yeah, so if you just want to see two kids going hunting, you have come to the right place. And remember to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for all the support, and thank you for watching the video.
We got a squirrel.
There's two. It's still in the grass.
Smoke him.
I see him.
My fault. Let's go. Shut up. Oh, that thing's toast. I don't see it.
Yeah, they're behind the tree.
Oh my God, he's right there. Yep. Do you see him?
Yep.
Shoot him. So?
All the way down there, bro. All the way down those trees. There's a second one there. I didn't see him.
Kill him. What the fuck?
What the fuck? The fuck?
Oh, kill it. What? I heard my pellet hit it. It made like a dunk dunk. Eat a stick. Alright, my gun's shooting high, so I'm just aim low and it's dead. Yep. How'd that one feel? Oh, whoops. Sorry, YouTube. Dude. You're not.
Yep, that hit it.
You know, I heard it. It goes.
Extra penetrating too.
Oh, it's a big one.
Still alive.
Oh, I shot it in the nose.
It's dead. That's a true dead rabbit reaction. I think I hit double lung.
Dude, did you see my spot? Like, I looked and then I turned away and I looked back and I see like this. I was like, are those the ears? And I see them like start to shake. And I was like, oh my God. I hit it with my first shot.
Yeah. No,
It was when you kept hitting that stick.
I know, I saw it like right here. I hit one of the sticks right there.
Let's get this thing out of here. Inspect it. Ow.
Bites you.
Let's get a photo.
I'll flip it over. I think one of its ears are bleeding.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
So we shot it in the head. It's a pretty big one, honestly. I got that. They're on the other side of this tree. But they're over there.
Okay.
And no one... Alright, let's just try to go this way. Hear me out. I try to wall bang that nest.
Why?
Dude, because if there's something in there, it's going to want to get out of there.
Yeah, but if there's nothing in there, let's turn to have it. Nothing in there.
Yeah, I guess so. Fuck, it's right there. Oh, what the hell? Stop, stop. It's right there. Go, 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 push, push, push. Oh, I got a rabbit. No, it's a squirrel, it's a squirrel. They're everywhere, they're everywhere. There's so much sticks, like, in between. Yep, nah. And the squirrel doesn't like the rain, apparently. Holy Christ. Oh, that thing's dead. Yep. I hit it. I mean, considering the fact that it flew out of the tree. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kill it, kill it. Kill him, kill him, kill him. I don't have visual.
He climbed up part of the tree.
You did?
He's on a branch.
Holy crap, dude. I seriously don't see him at all, bro.
On top. Farther up top.
I see. It's on the other side, bro.
Yeah, all the way at the top, all the way at the top.
Alright, it has nowhere to run, bro.
It's gonna jump.
No, it's not. Oh, shit.
I told you it's gonna jump.
Oh.
There.
Let's push. Dude, it's right the fucking neck. It's on the ground, it's on the ground.